Okay, so what I'm going to attempt to do is make what we call, what has been known as a loosey-goosey. Okay. You do not fill this all the way up with meat for the primary reason that this is going to be put in so that you can then make room, basically make a pocket like so. Now I still may have put too much meat in this, but we will find out shortly. So round one, fight. So I'm going to take, oh geez Louise. So this one, okay. Let me go get a pair of scissors. This is one of them bags that got to be cut. These are one of my, what I call food grade scissors. Because basically it's only used for processing food. I don't use it for anything else. And it's dishwasher friendly, and you will not believe where I got it from. Of all places, this of all places, I bought this at the dollar store. So with the loosey-goosey, we basically gonna put a little bit of cheese in the center of it, right? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some more meat over top of this. I'm going to try to squish it in. Okay. So I'm assuming I'm going to put that on top of there, put this on top of there, and press. Okay. Don't know how well that's going to work. This is a new device I'm using. Let's do another press. Okay. All right. So now let me give you something to bake this in. Okay. So let's see how well this works out. So we're going to flip it over, press the bottom, and we're going to take a spoon just to start the separation process. Okay. All right. So let's try a second one, because you got to do at least twice. A little bit more meat. Okay. Take the product. We're going to compress. All right. Actually, this one came out more interesting. Okay. Because I've already touched the meat, I won't touch the cheese. So I'm just going to sprinkle some cheese in here. Okay. This one, I think the second one may have came out even better than the first one, but we shall see. Take the plunger, push down. Surprisingly, I really haven't really had to use any of these. But let's just use one for GP purpose. Because I'm going to top it off the top. Okay. All right. I'm going to now take this burger, flip it upside down, and press. Take the spoon, do a little separation. Okay. Cool. Now I'm going to put this in the oven, and we're going to see how this turns out. This is what is called a Juicy Lucy. Because there's cheese in the middle. Now, it looks like I should have put a little bit more cheese in it, but we're going to give it a shot. Ketchup. Oh, put the bread on backwards, but who cares? Smells like a standard hamburger. This is interesting. I've never eaten a hamburger with the cheese inside of it already. I have to say, it's not bad. Now, with that new tool, what else can I put inside of a hamburger? But it's not bad. I mean, other than the cheese being inside of it, standard hamburger. Nothing really special. But that biting into it and seeing that cheese just kind of weird. So, would I go out and buy Juicy Lucy? Probably. Just because I can see the cheese inside of it, which is really weird. Because most people are used to cheese being externally, having cheese inside of it. It's nice. It's nice. Until next time, family. You take care of yourself.